Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Located in the quiet family-oriented neighborhood of Hellshire, feast your eyes upon this nicely kept two-bedroom, one-bathroom house with one bedroom, one bathroom income earner flat attached. The main house consists of two bedrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, front and rear patio with shared laundry. The property is fully fenced with slab roof for future expansion. The house is on approximately 4,897 square feet of land and is about 3 minutes from the world famous Hellshire Beach and its eateries. Earn while you live. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, grilled, kitchen built-ins, fully fenced, fully walled, family oriented, private settings, quiet area, pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $195,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.